When it comes to managing your finances, one of the biggest questions professionals face is whether to hire a financial advisor or take the do-it-yourself route. This debate is especially relevant for high-income earners like doctors, who often have complex financial needs but also the capacity to learn and manage their own investments. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of each approach, drawing on insights from Dr. Jim Dahl, founder of the White Coat Investor, and the experiences of many in the medical and financial communities. Let's dive in and help you decide which path might be right for you. Dr. Jim Dahl is an emergency physician and the founder of the White Coat Investor. After encountering questionable financial advice early in his career, Dr. Dahl took it upon himself to become financially literate. His journey led him to create a platform dedicated to helping doctors and other high-income professionals make smarter financial decisions. Today, he's a leading voice in physician finance, advocating for both self-education and the careful selection of advisors when needed. His story is a testament to the power of taking control of your financial future. One of the strongest arguments for managing your own finances is the potential to save a significant amount of money. Even low-cost financial advice can add up over time. For example, paying $10,000 a year in advisory fees invested over 30 years at an 8% return could grow to over $1.2 million. Many professionals pay even more, especially with percentage-based fees on large portfolios. The less you spend on advice, the more you keep for your own goals, whether that's retiring earlier, spending more, or taking less risk. If you manage your own investments, you eliminate the risk of being sold products that benefit the advisor more than you. While most advisors are ethical, there are stories of clients being steered into high-commission products or unnecessary insurance policies. As your own advisor, any mistakes you make are likely to be honest ones, not driven by hidden incentives. This can give you peace of mind, knowing your interests are always the top priority. Finding a truly competent, ethical, and low-cost advisor is not easy. By the time you know how to spot a good advisor, you likely have the knowledge to manage your own finances. It's similar to finding a good doctor without medical knowledge. Referrals help, but assessing true competence is tough. Learning the basics of investing and financial planning can empower you to either go solo or make more informed choices if you do seek professional help. Income professionals value their time. Searching for, evaluating, and meeting with advisors can be a time-consuming process. Even after finding an advisor, you may need to periodically reassess their performance or find a replacement if they retire. By learning to manage your own finances, you only need to master the process once, saving countless hours over your career and freeing up time for what matters most to you. An advantage of being your own advisor is that you only need to learn what's relevant to your situation. You don't have to master every aspect of finance, just the parts that apply to you, like student loans, mortgages, or retirement plans. As your life changes, you can seek specialized advice as needed, whether from accountants, attorneys, or even hourly financial advisors. This targeted approach makes financial self-management more manageable and less overwhelming. Common argument for hiring an advisor is that they can help prevent you from making emotional investment mistakes, like panic selling during a market crash. However, advisors are not immune to these behaviors themselves, especially if their income is tied to your portfolio's performance. When you're your own advisor, you only need to manage your own emotions, which can be easier with the right education and support from communities or forums. If you take charge of your own finances, you naturally pay closer attention to your spending, investing, and overall financial health. The responsibility is yours, which often leads to better outcomes. Regularly reviewing your financial plans, staying informed, and making adjustments as needed can help you stay on track toward your goals. This active involvement is one of the greatest benefits of the DIY approach. If you decide to be your own financial advisor, the first step is to create a written investing plan. This plan should outline your goals, asset allocation, and strategies for saving and investing. Resources like online courses, books, and financial communities can provide guidance and support. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start with the basics and build your knowledge over time. While many can succeed as DIY investors, there are situations where hiring a financial advisor makes sense. If you lack the time, interest, or confidence to manage your finances, a competent, ethical, and low-fee advisor can add value. Advisors can also help with complex situations such as estate planning, tax strategies, or business transitions. The key is to understand what you need and to shop carefully for the right professional. Not all advisors charge the same way. Some use a percentage of assets under management (AUM), while others offer flat or hourly fees. Many experts argue that flat or hourly fees are more transparent and often more cost-effective, especially for high-net-worth individuals. Before hiring an advisor, ask for a detailed breakdown of fees and make sure you understand what you're paying for. This can help you avoid overpaying for services you may not need. Financial literacy is a critical life skill, especially for professionals who earn high incomes. Learning the basics of investing, taxes, and insurance can empower you to make better decisions, whether you go it alone or work with an advisor. Resources like the White Coat Investor, Boggleheads, and reputable books can provide a solid foundation. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to protect and grow your wealth. Debate between DIY investing and hiring an advisor is lively, with strong opinions on both sides. Many doctors and professionals share stories of success as their own advisors, while others value the guidance and reassurance a good advisor provides. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your personal preferences, willingness to learn, and unique financial situation. Listening to the experiences of others can help you make a more informed decision. Though you choose to manage your finances yourself or hire an advisor, the most important thing is to take an active role in your financial journey. Set clear goals, stay informed, and review your plan regularly. Remember, no one cares more about your money than you do. With the right approach, you can build lasting wealth and achieve financial independence on your own terms.